Welcome back. This is the build project carrying on. So we've had a few things change since last video. Most of the plastering has been done. Yeah, we've got it's been square stopped most of the areas in this main room, and that'll be for the feature ceiling. So square stop most of the walls. He's also leveled out a few things as well, and then we have 55mm coving going around in here, plastered in the LED channel, so that's looking pretty sweet. We've also had doors installed, so we've got all of my cupboard doors in. On our doors we've got a V groove on the bedroom doors and any doors that's not cupboards. So all cupboard doors don't have the V groove, but all the other doors do. Coving's looking really nice. Quite like the way it's all turning out. Yeah, plastering's done an awesome job. That's clean, very clean. While he's been doing, I've also been cutting out some of the downlight holes and the recessed fixtures. Still got a few more to go, so I'll be tackling those very shortly. But other than that, we're looking pretty good. So here's the other strip as well. So I've got another one just up here. It's looking beautiful. Got to cut, this is the vent hole for the aircon returns. I've got to cut both of those for each side, so that'll keep me busy. Coving in here, so all the bedrooms have the 55mm coving. The corridors are square stopped. Yeah, I quite like the way it's all turning out. It's looking really good. You beauty. I'm gonna got quite a big day today, cracking into it, getting everything cut out as I can, as well as if I can start fitting off bits and pieces and tucking them in the wall with the bags over them, that'll prevent the paint going on it and stuff like that. So yeah, super stoked. Not going too crazy with the ceiling joins. It's mostly just sealing it just for air and everything else, but more so just means that it can get a slim line of paint for when the ceiling fixtures go up. It'll look quite clean. But other than that, yeah, she's looking real nice. Plaster's done an awesome job. He's made it look beautiful. It's not a super sunny day, but at least it's not raining like it has been the last few days. So yeah, should dry quite well. If you get value out of these videos and enjoy the content, please like and subscribe. It'd be awesome and help the channel out. Yeah. Smoke alarm is also 102mm cut out. Speaker here. 4 lights and smoke alarm. So the plasterer has finished up and he's done an awesome job. I look down these walls, if I show you like this, I try and look down these walls and they are extremely clean. So as far as like a finish, it's sort of a level 4 and then level 5 on some where he's done full plastered, and that's mainly just where we've got the LED strips going. So similar to down here, so he's fully plastered this whole wall here, and yeah, that's just to make that really clean. I temporarily stuck some filtration on the aircon unit so I could use it to keep the house warm while it was drying. So obviously we're in the middle of the winter here and it needed a bit of heat just to help with the drying process. Now, most of the rooms, so we'll start down the north end where we've got the walk-in wardrobe. So coving in most of these areas, as you can see, it's looking pretty nice. So a bit of coving around there, and that carries on around the whole room. And then in the ensuite, we've got square stop, and same again, LED strip up there. I've already cut out all of the lights and other fixtures, so hopefully when that comes along it'll be looking pretty good. Yeah, so you can see he's done a nice job with the square stop along here. So all of these are, yeah, all these rooms are square stopped, and then yeah, corridors are square stopped. Laundry, we have coving again. And the media office room, yeah, square stop, so it finishes just shy of that, just so it stops it from getting damaged. And then sort of same again over here. There was a decision to sort of whether or not we bring this around, but it was going to look a bit funny having it just end here, so we decided just to finish it there, which I think is tidier anyway. And then in the main area we just have, yeah, square stop again. Now a lot of this will get covered up, but at least you won't be able to see on the edge. So you can see, yeah, down here is quite a tricky spot. Bedroom 3, same again. Coving in here, and we've gone all the way into the wardrobe spaces. So still haven't decided quite what we're going to do with these wardrobes as far as how we want to sort of shelve them. There's a couple of options. We could either do like a slider, or do some really tall doors, or just have it all open. It's up to, yeah, future me. So that's the plan, at least for that. Same again in here. In the toilet we've got, yeah, coving in here, so that keeps it nice and tidy, and also coving in bedroom 4. Cut this out for the connections for the valves, so there's a little plate will go on there that will hide all that. All the doors have been fitted, and as you can see we've got the V-groove in here, so it looks quite nice, I think. V-groove. And then any door that's not a functional door, that's just wardrobe, won't have the V-groove. We've got the shower bases the screed has been put down. So all of our shower base screeds now down, that was put in today. So we're coming up with a plan about how we're gonna integrate this into the other flooring. So we've got sheet vinyl coming up, and I think we're going to go tiles and then have a little nib tile that the vinyl will basically like tee up to. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. And the same again on the other side. So did hum and hara quite a bit about the bathrooms and the flooring and stuff, but
yeah, we ultimately decided just to go with, yeah, still the tiled bath, or tiled shower, and then vinyl floors. If we went with tiled of the whole bathroom, we'd have to do another change of consent and everything else. So yeah, as you can see, this basically slopes down towards the drain there, and yeah, it's looking awesome. So that's the update for today. Next plan is for the painter to come in. So he's going to start late this week and next week, and he's going to start putting coats on everything. And then while he's doing that, when he's almost finished, the tiler will come in, do his bit. The builders have still got a little bit of stuff to do. So there's all of this here. So I've got to get all of this. This will get installed. Gone and cut out all the grills. I'll keep making these just to document the whole process, and yeah, I quite like going back and seeing how it's developed as well. It's kind of a memory storage of the build site. Speaker here, which will probably cut out last. 4 lights and smoke alarm. Bloody good.
Sorry, I got that thing with